Two-stage replacement filter for all LifeStraw Go water bottles. Houses both the LifeStraw hollow fiber membrane filter and replaceable carbon capsule. LifeStraw hollow fiber membrane filters up to 1,000 liters, 264 gallons, down to 0.2 microns. Carbon capsule effectively reduces chlorine, odor and bad taste for 100 liters, 26 gallons. Removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria, greater than log 6 reduction, and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites, greater than log 3 reduction. Top reviews from the United States. Look ma. No tools. So, I regularly am in situations where clean water is a hassle to get. This has made it much easier when I am thirsty and in the field. Durable, especially given how many times I have dropped the water bottle, and long-lasting, it has shown itself to be a worthwhile investment. The refills are especially nice, since it is quick and easy to swap them out.